from the rooty to the tootie, all the way to the end. Hey everybody, it's Lillian. I hope that you are doing well. Thank you so much for stopping by. If it's your first time, hey girl, hey. And if it's not your first time stopping by, if you are a repeat offender, girl, thank you so much for coming back again. Listen, today is really going to be cool because I am going to be talking about my ways to make sure that I smell good all day. All right, good with a T, okay? I'm talking about, from the rooty to the tootie. When you walk into the room, oh, they smelled you before you got in there. When you walked out, oh, they can smell, the smell just lingers. Your beautiful fragrance just continues to linger. Yes. So that's what I'm talking about. If you're interested to see the products that I like to use and all of that, I need you to please stick around.
There's so much about me, more than the eye can see, but I'm so glad to be no one to me.
Now on this channel, we talk about beauty, we talk about lifestyle, we talk about makeup, we talk about finances, we talk about fashion, we talk about all of those things. So if that's something that you would be interested in, I need you to make sure that you do two things for me. I need you to put a thumbs up on this video, and I need you to hit the subscribe button. I need you to make sure that you also hit the bell to be notified anytime I have an upload. Okay, now on to the video. The first thing that you have to make sure that you do is take a bath. I know that sounds crazy. I know it doesn't make sense. I know you're probably looking at your computer or your phone or your iPad or your tablet or whatever you're watching me from. And I know you're probably saying, girl, what? Yes, you have got to make sure that you shower whatever kind of way you take your bath. If you like to sit in the tub, I haven't sat in the tub in a while, so I might have to go do that. But if you really want to smell good, you're going to need to make sure that you shower, okay? Make sure that you bathe your body. Now, everybody's not the same. Everybody doesn't do the same things. However, let me just share with you what I like to do. Now, I have my soaps, and one soap in particular that I like to use, or one thing that I like to use, is I really came up on this brand because I was looking for a new oils company, especially black owned. So what I like to do is I like to really I enjoy supporting my black owned brands. Okay. So, if you follow my channel, you know that. So Fragrant Body Oils actually makes in whatever fragrance you want. Now, this is what's cool. In whatever fragrance you want, if you are like me, I like bar soap. I like bar soap, right? So I love having the shower gels, bath bombs, bath gels, bubble bath, all that. Yeah, that stuff is cute, but I still like having bar soap. So what they designed is they have bars of soap, and I don't want to bring you mine because it's been used, put it like that. But it comes in a really thick, and I'll try to put a picture up. But it comes in a really thick bar of soap, and it has your favorite fragrances in it if you would like. Okay, so make sure if you really like to have your fragrance from top to bottom, from start to finish, you may want to try these soaps. Okay, these soaps are really cool because even though you wash them, you rinse, of course you rinse your body, it still smells so good. My bar soap is actually like, it lasts. I hope I didn't interrupt anything. Sorry about that. My bar of soap will last in my bathroom. It will smell good even after I've taken my shower, dried off, all of that, oiled my body up or moisturized. All of that, you can walk back into the bathroom and you will know that I have showered. Not bad smells, not body odors, none of that, but it smells so good because of that bar of soap. The soap just really smells good. I also got my husband some of the fragrances that he likes in the bar soap as well. He's more of a shower gel type person, but I just really was surprised at how good those bars of soap were for my body. Okay, another thing that I like to use is I like to use these. These are actually, let me get one out. I put these in my Amazon store. If you go to my storefront, you'll be able to see some of the best items that I use. But these are actually These little gloves, they're cleansing gloves or exfoliating gloves. I like to use these, if not every day, every other day. And as you can see, I've got a large bag of these. There are actually 12 in here. I hope that doesn't sound too loud, but there are actually 12 in here, and I like to use these to exfoliate my body. I like to exfoliate probably 3 times, if not more, a week. You don't really need more, but I like to use these to exfoliate, and I will use different scrubs and things like this. As you can see, this scrub has an amazing scent to it. If you're familiar with Bum Bum Cream, you know, or this is a sugar crystals. This is sugar scrub. If you're familiar with them, then you know that they have an amazing scrub. So I may use this. I may alternate sometimes or whatever. Even in this same scent, as you know, I have the scrub, I have the lotion or the moisturizer, and then I have the fragrance. That's my first suggestion. Make sure after you have bathed, next, make sure that you are layering your fragrances, okay? So if you moisturize, go ahead and moisturize while the room is still while your bathroom is still kind of damp and all of that from your shower. Make sure that you go ahead and moisturize. If you want, you can moisturize with the same fragrance. Some of these fragrances have an oil to them, or they have a moisturizer. For me, I really like the oil. The oil for me really lasts, okay? It lasts on me. It really feels good. It really smells good. So I enjoy doing that. But can we be honest? Now, for Sol de Janeiro, I like their fragrances. I like their scents. I love their moisturizer and all of that. But let's be honest. I am not going to the store, and after I have bought something like Baccarat, I'm not going and buying the oil and the moisturizer and the hair mist and all of that. Do you know how much you would have spent by doing that? Can we just add it up? Can we just say cha-ching? You would have spent a lot. So let me go back to that company that I was talking about. So what I do is they also have in any fragrance. Let me tell you how close they are. The scents that they have are so close and almost to where you can't tell the difference. So what I'll do is I may put some of this in a moisturizer. This is from that company I talked about. I'm going to put it down on the screen. It is fragrantbodyoils.com. This is Baccarat, the scent. Baccarat Rouge 540 by MFK. It smells so much like this to where, look, I have the body oil. I have the oil itself. Now you see how much that has been used, right? And then how much this one has been used, right? I'm the one spraying myself, okay? Trust me, just try it. If you don't believe me, they have like these $2 things where they come in a real little container. Try that. Pay your $2. Get it and see. See if you like those. But I'm telling you, if you don't mind having an oil type, and let me qualify. Let me explain. The oil smell is not like bad. It's not the oil smell, but the oil feel is not. It's not like bad. It's oil, but it's not so oily to where you feel like you slipping and sliding around. You know what I'm saying? But here's the thing. My husband loves this scent so much. For him, let me tell you what he did on his own. It came in a shea butter. What were they thinking? Why did they do that? Why? So if I wanted to, I could get the soap. If I wanted to, I could also get the oil. If I wanted to, I could get the shea butter. As you can see, it's been used quite a bit. All right. So there are so many different things that they have. And I'm really kind of reviewing their products and also kind of letting you guys know what I do. But this is an excellent brand. If you're interested in supporting Black-owned brands and stuff like that, and you want to make sure that you smelling good all day, listen. Get some oil, get the shea butter, or get the moisturizer. They have moisturizers as well. Get that, and I promise you will not be sorry. Okay, this is all done after I get out of the shower. Okay, so I have oiled up or moisturized or shea buttered myself or whatever. I've done that. Then I'm going to go into my fragrance. Now, here's another thing that I like to do. Just because my fragrance does not necessarily have to match. It doesn't have to be matchy-matchy. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't have to be, since I have Sol de Janeiro, then I've got to have the Sol de Janeiro, then fragrance, or I have to have the soap as well, or I have to have the scrub, or I have to have this, that, and the other. No, no, no. They don't have to match. What I like to do is I like to find out what's in it. What is in this fragrance that's similar to the other one? If you watch my video where I gave you the spring fragrances, my favorite spring fragrances, I'll link it here. But if you like those, if you like that kind of thing, yeah, you can be matchy-matchy if you want to. But if you heard me say what the notes are, if I know that in two notes, in my base notes in this fragrance are the same in another fragrance, then I'll use them. For example, this, I was not a fan of this, right? As you can see, it's the small one. So it has a very light, very nice, very fruity type, light, clean type scent, right? So I can use this, I can moisturize with this, and then I can go in with something else and it will just make it last longer. Okay, so you want to make sure that you moisturize. But here's another idea with that same company that I was telling you about. For instance, they've got a Love Don't Be Shy. This is a bath gel. This is a body, you know, this is a shower gel, right? So if I want to use the Love Don't Be Shy, I can use that. Then I can put the Love Don't Be Shy lotion on, and I just bought these small because I like to put them in my bag for travel, right? So if this one breaks, or if I lose it, or if I forget it there at the hotel, I'm not all bent out of shape, right? If I take the big bottle of the $250 Love Don't Be Shy, I'm gonna be ticked. I'm not gonna be real happy, right? So I want to make sure that I have some items that are very similar to what I'm used to. Okay, so if you have the fragrances, if you have the original fragrance, that's what I call it. If you have, here's My Way. If you have the original fragrance, go ahead and get the My Way. I think this is My Way. Yeah. So go ahead and get the lotion, and it'll smell good all day. Okay. Those are my suggestions. You got to bathe. You've got to make sure that you moisturize, and then go ahead and go to this, what is it? Fragrant body oils. I always have to look at it. Fragrant body oils. Go to FBO. fragrantbodyoils.com, and it will be a lifesaver for you. Here's another suggestion. My last one. I'll be out your hair. Here's another suggestion. Don't be afraid to spray your fragrances. Don't be afraid to spray your fragrances. I've seen people use their fragrance. They'll take it and they will, okay, good. I don't have anything on right now. So they'll take it, they'll spray right here, right? They'll spray, and then they'll go like this. That's a big no-no. They'll go like this. And then they'll just do one here, and then they're out the door, and then talking about they can't smell it. Duh. First of all, you washed your hands after you went to the job or went to the office and used the restroom. You washed your hands. So for the most part, if you're talking about right here where you just rubbed or dabbed or whatever, that's gone because you were washing your hands, right? You were washing your hands. Second of all you have sprayed is like right here and right here. That's it. Don't be afraid to spray your fragrances. With something that I'm wearing, this little denim dress, with this little denim dress, with my turban on, you know, whatever. I've got it all lopsided. Sorry, y'all. With my turban on, with that kind of thing, I am going to use it here. If my arms were more rolled up, I'd use it here and here, behind my leg, behind my ear, here in my décolleté, here somewhere. I would use it. Sorry if that's bothering you with my microphone, but I would use it in all those places, right? And I'd make sure that I smelled good. That will let me, even on my clothes, I don't have a problem doing that. Or I'll spray the air and walk into it, right? I don't spray my hair as much because it's very, very drying. Most of these have alcohol in them. I saw another YouTuber talk about the alcohol in these, and I was like, I really don't do it because of my braids. but I never really sprayed my hair. And so when she suggested not to spray your hair because of the alcohol in it, I thought that that was just ingenious. So I don't spray my hair as much unless it's a hair mist, but I don't usually get the hair mist. The only ones that I have, I think, are by Sol de Janeiro. But I really like these. I really like, you know, the different products that that FBO produces and all of that, because if there's something that I want to use later, then I can without worrying about the price point. Okay, so I don't care how much I make. I don't care how much I have to spend or whatever. I will continue to use products like that so that I can make sure that I get the most wear out of them. I can make sure that the scent is nice and vibrant and it comes all out. They have everything from like Tom Ford to whatever you use, whatever you really like. If you ask about it, I promise you they probably have it. And if they don't, they'll get it. I'm telling you. So it wasn't necessarily, I wasn't trying to review that company. However, I could not go on without suggesting that you look them up, that you check them out, right? So check them out. Let me know what you think. Tell them I sent you. This is unsponsored, but I'm just giving you some ideas on what you can do to make sure that you smell good all day. Listen, thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed recording this for you, just sharing a few things of what I like to use, what I like to do to make sure that I smell good all day. I want you to do me a favor. Comment down below and let me know what you use or what you do to make sure that you smell good all day. I like to make sure that I use companies that can be supported, companies that are professional and all of that. And so that's why I suggested FBO. So if you're interested in any of their products, please go on there. I'm sure that they have the perfect products for you. Also, I want to know some of your ideas and what you think about these products that I've already shown you. And all of that. I look forward to your suggestions and your ideas. Listen, I need you to do me a favor though. I need you to make sure that you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the bell notification so that you can be notified anytime I have an upload. How in the world are you going to know that I have put a video up if you don't hit the bell? Baby, you have got to hit the bell. All right. Make sure that you hit the bell. And I look forward to sharing with you guys in another video. Bye.